Hi, so I'm Emily Williams. I'm one of the co-team leaders here at Cardiff Racing for the year with my colleague Ben Fisher. To give you an update on our progress, we're about halfway through our year. We've just started the spring semester and everything is a go now. We spent the first semester designing and then ordering in most of the components. We've now got all the materials for the chassis and the space frame. And they're currently being assembled just behind me. The monocoque half is much like this car from last year. That has now been assembled, obviously not vinyl or anything yet, and the space frame is just being finished off, filling in welds from our technician. So that's our current progress in terms of tangible manufacture. On the design front though, we're there, finished the design of most of the car now. And in the phase of finalising things and ordering it. Aside from that, we're still really active with the design work. All the other components are being finalised, ready to be ordered, manufactured in. We're also hoping to get some aerodynamic testing of this car done this semester. So it's still together, it still works, our winning car. And this is a really great opportunity for us to get in some testing that we've never been able to do before. And this is mainly aerodynamic testing. You can see we've got quite a big aero package, especially on the rear of the car. And we plan to go to a wind tunnel to test this. And we're just prepping for this currently. You can see our push rods are currently instrumented up with strain gauges, and these will be used for all of our tests. Our volunteers are also active. They're helping out with engagement activities. We've got more going on again this year. Our outreach is really important to us. We've currently got a team working on our simulator, which is great fun for inspiring the next generation. And yeah, we're continuing to go forwards and we hope to have a working car really soon. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe for more videos.